Welcome back to Wings Geo. Even though I decided that the V85 will only be my backup for my planned BDR in August, I still wanted to further lighten the V85 as much as I reasonably could. One big ticket item outstanding was the boat anchor that the stock exhaust is, and I replaced it with a Mistral, big bore header pipes and Y pipe. And what a difference it made. Not just in the weight department, but also sound and performance wise. The install was painless and straightforward and took me about 2 hours. I am still waiting for a fuel trim module from Mistral that will resolve any fueling problems. In its current form, I did reinstall the DB killer on the Agostini slip-on to create some more back pressure until the fuel trim module arrives. After talking to AF1 Racing, they assured me that it was fine to run the bike as is in the meantime. There is definitely a noticeable gain in pickup and mid-range power, and the sound is amazing as well. But don't take my word for it. Here are some sound samples after the install. Until next time, bye.